In this video, we will discuss about the 5 marks questions from the lesson Surface Areas and Volumes. The first question is, a wooden solid toy is made by mounting a cone on the circular base of a hemisphere. So here you can see the toy. Here a cone which is mounted on the hemisphere. If the area of the base of the cone is 38.5 centimeter, okay, what they have given is area of base of cone is how much? This is 38.5 centimeter square, and the total height of the toy, this is the total height. Find the total surface area of the and volume of the toy. Okay, so let us first find out this one. Here area of base of the cone. Okay, we know that the base of the cone is circle. Okay, the circle, that is area of circle they have given. Pi r square is equals to 38.5. Okay, this can be written as r square 38.5. Okay, so this is pi is 22/7. Okay, I just write down this as r square is equals to 385. So 0.5, I just write down this is 10. Okay, in the form of fraction. Into 22/7 becomes here 7/22. Okay, so now let us cancel. This is 5 2 ja, this is 5 7 ja 35, 5 7 ja. Okay, here 11 2 ja, this is 11 7 ja. Okay, now we have r square is equals to 7 into 7, 7 square, 2 into 2, 2 square. So on here this can be written as 7/2 whole square. It is nothing but r square is equals to 7/2 whole square. Square get cancelled, then r is equals to how much here? 7/2 centimeter. This is the r. R generally you can write this is the 3.5 centimeter. Okay. So here radius is, so see, this is the radius. This is 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so means this is 3.5. Okay, this is also 3.5. Then here we left with the height of the cone. This is the height of the cone. The height of the cone can be calculated. This is total height is 15. Okay, so their total height is 15 centimeter, 15.5 centimeter. Then height of the cone. Height of cone, I just write down this is h. This can be done as 15.5. So when we remove 3.5, we left with this height. Okay, minus 3.5. This is nothing but 12 centimeter. Okay, now what we need to find out here? Total surface area and volume. Okay, first let us calculate for the total surface area. Total surface area of toy. Okay, so total surface area of toy means we need to write CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. Okay, so don't take TSA of cone and TSA of hemisphere. Just write down CSA, CSA. Okay, so here in total surface area, cone and hemisphere, the CSA of cone and hemisphere here. So we know that formula. CSA of the cone is how much? The CSA of cone can be done as this is pi r l plus of CSA of hemisphere. CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Yes, we need to calculate for the L here. Okay, we already know that the height is there, radius there. This is L. Okay, I calculate L. L is equals to, we know that this is L is equals to root h square plus r square. Okay, so L is equals to h square. The height how much here we have? 7/2. Okay, we have 7/2. 7/2 whole, sorry, height is, okay, height we have 12. Okay, sorry, this is 12 square plus 7/2 whole square. Okay, radius is 7/2. Okay, L can be written as here 12 square is 144 plus 7 square is 49 divided by 2 square is 4. On taking LCM we have root of 144. This is 4 ja, this is 1 ja. Okay. Then here we can calculate for the 4. 144 4 ja. This is 576 plus of 49 divided by 4. So L can be written as 576 plus 49 is 625 is equal divided by 4. So square root of 625 is 25. 4 square root of 4 is how much? 2. Okay, this is the L. Okay, we will substitute all values here. Pi, okay, pi 22 by 7. R is how much? 7 by 2. L is 25 by 2 plus of 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r square. R square is 7 by 2. I write down 2 times 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 whole square. Okay, it is whole square. So then we'll calculate for the same here. Okay, just you can take out the common, or okay, I just cancel this. 7 get cancelled. Okay, then here this is 2 1 ja, 2 11 ja. Again here 7 get cancelled. 2 1 ja, 2 11 ja. Okay, just I will write down here what. So I just take down the some common factors here. Here 11 is common, 11 is common. Okay, here 11, what we have here? 25 by 2 plus here 11 is common. We have only 2 into 7 by 2. Okay, again here 2 get cancelled. Okay, so here or you can write, okay, don't cancel here because we have LCM same here. Okay, just write down the same here. So 25 by 2 plus of 7 2 ja 14 by 2. Okay, 2 is LCM is same, 11 into 2 is same, 25 plus 14. This is how much? This is 39. Okay, now we have 39 11 ja divided by 2. This is 429 divided by 2. You can cancel here. This is 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 4 ja 8. Then we left with 1, that is 214.5 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of the given toy. So volume of the toy can be written as, so volume of cone plus hemisphere. Okay, so what is the volume of cone? The formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h plus of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, take down the common here. So I take down 1 by 3 pi r square is common. See here what the common? 1 by 3 pi r square. 1 by 3 pi r square. Okay, so here what we left with? 1 by 3 pi r square h only. So here 1 by 3 common means 2 left. Pi is common, r square is common, only 1 r. Okay, then here, so I just substitute all values here. 1 by 3 pi is 22 by 7. R square is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Write down 2 times. H, the height is how much? 12 plus of 2 into r is 7 by 2. Okay, now you can cancel here. So 7 get cancelled. 2 1 ja, 2 11 ja. 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja. Okay, so here 11 7 ja 77. 3 2 ja 6 into, so 12 plus 7, this is 19. And multiplying we have, this is 1463 divided by 6. Okay, you can cancel here. So 6 1 ja, 6 2 ja 12, we left with 2. Okay, then here 6 4 ja 24, again we left with 2. This is 23. 6 3 ja 18. We have 5. Yes, take down 5 means 50. Okay, so 50. So now 6, this is 8 ja. Okay, just write down this one. 243.8 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the given toy. The second question is, a dustbin in the form of frustum of cone. Okay, dustbin is frustum of the cone. Is mounted on circular base of hollow cylinder as shown in figure. Okay, see, you can see this is the frustum of cone which is mounted on the cylinder. The radii of the circular top and bottom of the dustbin and its slant height is 18 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 26 centimeter. So here they are given radii of the top. So this is radii, this is bottom radii and this is slant height. Okay. So here R1 is 18 centimeter and R2 is 8 centimeter and slant height L is how much? 26 centimeter. The radius and height of the cylinder are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Okay. The radius and height of the cylinder. Yes, they have given height of cylinder. This is frustum of cone. This is frustum of cone. And this is, we have cylinder here. Cylinder, the height of the cylinder they have given how much? 6 centimeter. This is the height of cylinder. H is equals to 6 centimeter. Or you can take, this is H2. Okay, the height of the frustum, I take height of the frustum H2 is equals to, so this is the height of the frustum. Okay, here total this is 30 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter. 30 minus 6 becomes, this is the height of the frustum of cone. That is 30 minus 6 is equals to, this is 24 centimeter. This is the height of the frustum. Okay. Yes, then here what they have asked here, then find the volume of dustbin and also CSA of entire solid. Okay, volume of dustbin and CSA of the solid, the given entire solid. Okay, so here first we will calculate the volume of dustbin. Volume of dustbin. Okay, volume of dustbin means here dustbin is nothing but it is in the form of frustum. That is volume of frustum. So we already know the formula for this one. So here this is 1 by 3, pi is 22 by 7 and H is, this is the frustum of cone. You can write out. So this is, sorry, you will take this one H1. H1 is here. H1 here. So H1 is how much? This is 24. R1 square. R1 is how much? This is 18 square plus 8 square plus 18 into 8. Okay, now we will simplify everything here. This is 3 1 ja, 3 8 ja. Okay, so now we will multiply everything here. This is how much? This is 176 divided by 7. 22 8 ja, 176. Okay, then here 18 square is equals to, this is 324 plus of 8 square 64 and 18 into 8 ja. This is 144. Okay, on adding everything here, this is 176 divided by 7 into, this is, on adding everything we have 532. Okay, now, so this is now cancelling. 7 1 ja, 7 7 ja 49. We left with 4. 7 6 ja, yes, 42. On multiplying we have, this is 13,376 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the frustum of the cone or dustbin. So now we need to calculate for the CSA of solid. CSA of entire solid. Here CSA of, so CSA of entire solid. Okay, now we have, here we have CSA of frustum of cone. Frustum of cone plus here CSA of cylinder. CSA, so maybe they have given TSA of the both. Okay, I just wrote down, this is TSA. Okay, CSA of the frustum of the cone. Okay, the formula. So here I have written formula. The CSA of frustum of the cone is pi R1 plus R2L 2 pi. This is nothing but R2 H2. Okay, so here pi common. We have only R1 plus R2 into L plus of 2. Pi is common, R2 into H2. Okay, pi is 22 by 7, R1 plus R2. Okay, R1 is how much? 18 and R2 is 8. L is, we know L is, they have given 26. Plus of 2, R2. R2 is 8, H2 is 6. Okay, then here 22 by 7, 18 plus 8 is, the 18 plus 8 is, this is 26 and 26 plus of, on multiplying these 2 8 ja 16, 16 6 ja 96. Okay, so here 22 by 7, 26 26 ja, this is 676 plus of 96. Okay, again 22 by 7 into 676 plus 96 is equals to, this is 772. Okay, 772. So on multiplying 22 into 772, we have 16,984 divided by 7. On cancelling, we have here, this is 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja 14. Okay, we have left 2. This is 7 7 4 ja 28. 1 8 again. This is again 7 2 ja 14. We left with 4. Okay, 7 6 ja 42. Then we left with 2, that is 0.20. Then 7 2 ja again 14. We have 6. It becomes 60. Then 7 8 ja 56. Okay, this is the volume of the entire solid. 2426.28 centimeter. Sorry, this is not volume. This is surface area of the given solid, centimeter square. Here, third question is, sand is filled in cylinder vessel of height 32 centimeter and radius 18 centimeter. It is a cylinder vessel. Okay, there is a sand in this cylinder. I have taken this cylinder. This is height is how much? 32 centimeter and the radius of the base is, this is 18 centimeter. Okay, I just take them. This is H1 R1, height of cylinder and radius of the cylinder. And this sand is completely poured on the level ground to form a conical shaped head of sand. Okay, so this total sand is poured in the form of the cone. Okay, so then cone they have given, that is what the height of the conical heap is 24 centimeter. The height is they have given, this is H2 is 24 centimeter, and find the radius of the base and slant height. Okay, we have radius we need to find out and slant height L. Okay, so here the sand in the form of cylinder is formed into shape of the cone, means the volume of the both cylinder and cone are equal here. Okay, the condition they have given, volume of cylinder is equals to volume of cone. Okay, so here volume of cylinder, we know that this is pi r square h. Okay, I just write down, this is pi r1 square h1 square. Pi r1 square h. Okay, the volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r2 square h2. Okay, now substitute the all values. Okay, here we know that this is pi get cancelled. Okay, then here I write down r1 square. R1 square is how much? This is 18 square into h1. h1 is 32 is equals to 1 by 3. R2 square. R2 is they have, yes, we don't know R2 value. I just write down the R2 square as it is. Then H2 is 24. Okay, this is 3 1 ja 3 8 ja 24. Okay, now I signed, this is 18 into 32. This 8 becomes here divided by 8. Here we left with only R2 square. Okay, now here we have 8 1 ja 8 4 ja. Okay, now on taking out the square root, the R2 is becomes here square root of 18 into 4. Okay, then R2 becomes here square root of 18 into 18 is 18 and square root of 4 is 2. So here 18 to how much? This is 36 centimeter. This is the radius of the cone. Okay, radius of the cone is 36 centimeter. Then again we need to find out the height here. Height, okay, by using the formula. We know that by using formula L square is equals to h square plus r square. Okay, L we know that the slant height is, we don't know the slant height. Okay, we will find out for this one. The slant height L square, or you can write root h square plus r square. Okay, L is equals to h square. The height is, this is h2 and r2. Okay, this is the height of the cone and height radius of the cone. h2 square. h2 is how much here? 24 square plus of r2 square. r2 we have how much? This is 36. This is 36 square. Okay, L is equals to 24 square. This is 576 plus of the square of the 36 is 1296. Okay, the sum of these two is 1872. So I will just simplify for the 1872 here. I just divide by this one 9. 9 2 ja. This is 9 8 ja. 9 8 ja 72. Okay, then 2 2 10 ja. 2 1 ja, 0 ja, 4 ja, again 2 5 ja, 2 2 ja, again 2 2 ja, 4, this is 2 6 ja, okay, then this is 2 1 ja, this is 2 3 ja, okay, now I just write down L as 9 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into, this is 13, okay, just take down the square root of 9 is how much? 3. Square root of this one, this is one pair, this is one pair, means 2 into 2. We left with inside root 13. Okay. Now L can be written as 3 to 6, 6 to 12 root 13 centimeter. This is the slant height of the given cone. Fourth question is, a toy is in the form of cone of radius 21 centimeter. Okay, here the radius is 21 centimeter. Mounted on hemisphere, the toy, that is, this is the cone shaped toy which is mounted on this hemisphere of the same radius. Okay, the radius of the both is same, so that's why R is 21 centimeter. The total height of the toy, the total height is 49 centimeter. Then total height, they have given total height is 49 centimeter. Then find the surface area of toy. Okay, so if the total height, so this is, we know that this is the hemisphere, means this is also radius, it is 21. Okay, the total height they have given 49. 49 minus 21 means we will have height of the cone here. The height of the cone is h is equals to 49 minus 21. This is 28 centimeter. Okay, so now here we will calculate for the surface area. The surface area is equals to, this is CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. Okay, CSA of the cone, CSA of the cone, we know the formula is, this is pi r L plus of hemisphere. Hemisphere is, this is CSA, that is 2 pi r square. Okay, so we need to calculate for the L. Okay, first I will calculate for the L here. L, so just take down, I will calculate here. The L square is equals to, sorry, yeah, you can take L. L is equals to root of h square plus r square. Okay, h square, this is the height of the, this is height of the cone. Height of the cone is equals to 28 square plus r square. R square is equals to, r is how much? 21. Okay, now this is nothing but 28 square plus 21 square. Here 28 square is 784 plus 21 square is 441. The sum is equals to 1225. Okay, so we know that this is, the root of this is equals to 35. Okay, the L is 35. Okay, now we'll substitute here. So here pi is common, r, okay, yes, you can take r is also common. Okay, I just write down here pi and r is common, we left with, pi r is common, we left with L plus 2, pi is common, r is common, only 1 r. Okay, pi is 22 by 7, r radius is how much? 21. L we have, this is 35 plus of 2 into r is 21. Okay, then here, so on cancellizing, 7 1 ja, 7 3 ja, okay, 22 3 ja, 66. So 35 plus of 21 2 ja, this is 42. So 66 into plus, but so on adding 77. Okay, 66, 77 we have 5082 centimeters square. This is the surface area of the given toy.